Hello.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Are you free now?
Yes, I am free.
Can we talk for a while?
Sure, I was waiting for your call.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
What did you do today?
I worked most of the day.
Did you eat lunch?
Yes, I had lunch at noon.
What did you eat?
Just some rice and vegetables.
Sounds healthy.
Yes, I'm trying to eat better.
Are you tired?
A little, but I'm okay.
Did you go to work today?
Yes, I went at 9 a.m.
When did you come back?
I came home around 6 p.m.
Did you have a lot of work?
Yes, it was a busy day.
Did you rest after coming home?
Not yet, I wanted to talk to you first.
That's sweet of you.
I like talking to you.
Me too.
You always make me smile.
Did you call your mom today?
Yes, I talked to her in the morning.
How is she?
She is doing fine.
Is she still cooking every day?
Yes, she loves cooking.
Did she make something special?
She made my favorite dish.
That's nice.
Yes, I missed her food.
Do you miss home?
Yes, I do.
When will you visit next?
Maybe next weekend.
Can I come with you?
Of course, you are always welcome.
Will your family be okay with that?
Yes, they like you very much.
That makes me happy.
You are special to me.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Are you watching TV now?
No, I'm just lying down.
Do you watch TV at night?
Sometimes when I can't sleep.
What do you watch?
Mostly old movies or news.
I like watching comedy.
That's good, it helps you relax.
Do you want to watch something together?
Yes, let's watch a movie this weekend.
Okay, I'll find something fun.
You can choose this time.
Which movie?
I'm sure I'll enjoy it.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Just work in the morning, free in the evening.
Can we meet in the evening?
Yes, let's go out for tea.
Where should we go?
Same cafe as last time.
I love that place.
Me too, it's peaceful.
Do you want to walk after tea?
Yes, a short walk would be nice.
I enjoy walking with you.
I enjoy it too.
Do you remember our first walk?
Yes, it was a rainy day.
It was so romantic.
Yes, I still think about it.
Time flies right.
Yes, but memories stay.
Do you keep our photos?
Yes, I look at them often.
That's sweet.
Every photo has a story.
Do you like phone calls or texts more?
Phone calls, I like hearing your voice.
That's cute.
Your voice makes me happy.
Did you charge your phone?
Yes, it's fully charged.
Mine is low.
Don't let it die during the call.
I won't, I'll charge it now.
Good, I don't want the call to end.
Me neither.
Talking to you feels peaceful.
Same here.
You always listen to me.
Because I care about you.
That means a lot.
You are important to me.
You too.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really, I had a strange dream.
What was it about?
I forgot most of it.
Dreams are like that.
Yes, they fade fast.
Do you sleep early?
I try to sleep before 11.
That's good.
Sleep is important.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, around 7.
That's nice.
I want to wake up early too.
Try going to bed on time.
I will.
Did you drink enough water today?
Not much, I forgot.
Good idea.
Yes, I'll keep a bottle near me.
You should drink more.
Health is important.
Do you go for walks?
Sometimes in the evening.
Walking is relaxing.
Yes, especially with music.
Do you listen to music daily?
Yes, it helps me stay calm.
Which songs do you like?
Slow songs with good lyrics.
Do you sing too?
Only when I'm alone.
I'd like to hear you sing.
Maybe one day.
Promise.
Okay, promise.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, who doesn't?
I have a surprise for you.
Tell me.
Not now, you'll see soon.
You're making me curious.
Be patient.
I'll try.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, I love roses.
What color?
Red and white.
Noted.
Planning something.
Maybe.
Now I'm excited.
You should be.
I like how you make me smile.
I like seeing you happy.
I feel happy talking to you.
Me too.
I feel close to you even on the phone.
Same here.
Phone calls are our special time.
Do you remember our first phone call?
Yes, I was nervous.
I was too.
But now we talk so easily.
That's true.
It feels natural now.
Do you think we talk too much?
No, never.
You're special.
So are you.
Do you feel the same way?
Yes, I do.
That makes me smile.
Me too.
Are you sleepy?
A little.
Should we end the call?
Only if you want.
Let's talk for 5 more minutes.
Okay, just 5.
Promise.
Maybe 10.
Haha, I knew it.
I love your laugh.
You always make me smile.
That's my goal.
Are you in bed now?
Yes, lying down.
Lights off.
Not yet.
You should rest soon.
I will after this call.
Good.
Will you call me tomorrow?
Yes, in the morning.
I'll wait.
Good night then.
Good night, sleep well.